Who are the fortunate 500?
If you are who we think you are, then it's you.
This is a personal message sent to 500 fortunate people to lead us to victory.
Wait, what victory? The victory of successfully pursuing the vision of the final messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
We've handpicked you for this challenge. Are you ready?
Sheikh, I'm hyped, but what's the challenge?
Well, it starts with you signing up for the Fortunate 500.
Then all you have to do is raise £10 every day in the first 10 days of Dhil-Hijjah.
What these funds will support is the vision of the Prophet ﷺ.
You have our word on that.
Imagine on the Day of Judgment having a huge pile of rewards for just a small act.
Being part of the Fortunate 500 will make you a part of a select few that are always ready to win for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Oh, by the way, you don't need any special skills to be part of the fortunate 500.
Like being able to solve a Rubik's Cube in 5 seconds flat.
Or being able to hit a hole-in-one.
All the accuracy and focus you need to hit a bullseye from 20 feet.
MashaAllah.
During the best days of the year, in which no deeds are more beloved to Allah, we need 500 fortunate people just like you.
You are the leaders.
You are the winners.
You are the Fortunate 500.
Sign up now.
now.